Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change image zoom in Shopify. So simply in order to do this, just you have to go to your online store. Now click on themes, and now our theme page is uploading. So simply just we will move directly to theme page, and here go to products, and now open the default product page. After that, when you open this, just when you see that image is here, so simply just we want to change the zoom of this image, just simply select here, and now on the right side we can find how to change your image zoom. Simply just increase the value here that you want to change. So simply here you can see our image is changed. So simply after that click on save button. So in this way you can easily change image zoom in Shopify.